Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we present to you the best recipe for making oats crumble bar flavored with fresh raspberries. A layer of creamy Greek yogurt makes them balanced in flavors and complements well with a crusty and crispy crumble. This is a healthy recipe and a quick option as a breakfast or a snack for those of you who are on the path of healthy diet. So let's get to the recipe. Into a bowl, I am taking rolled oats. Add equal portion of wheat flour and add half portion of almond flour. Then add brown sugar for sweetness and let's add baking soda. Though this is optional, I'm also adding cinnamon powder, a pinch of salt, add in some room temperature and unsalted butter. Now simply mix in and gently combine the butter with the dry ingredients. Incorporate all the ingredients well. For detailed recipes and to take printouts, please do check out our website. And this simply makes our dry crumble mix ready to use. As of now, let's keep it aside and proceed to the next step. For the second layer, we need to prepare a yogurt mix. For that, into a bowl, I'm taking Greek yogurt. Instead, you may also use hung curd. Add corn flour and a pinch of salt for taste. And we are going to just whisk in all together. And here is our creamy yogurt mixture ready to go. So let's proceed to baking. Take a baking tray and line with parchment paper. For the first layer, let's add 3/4 portion of the crumble mix. Spread them evenly and gently press in with a spatula to settle the layer. Then for the second layer, let's go with the yogurt mix. Pour them over the first layer of crumble mix. And spread them evenly as well. Then let's gently tap the tray to set them well. And now comes the layer of fruits. Here I'm using fresh raspberries. You may use any berries of your choice. Though fresh ones are appealing, the frozen berries also goes well. Here I'm placing them randomly over the yogurt mix. And now we're going to move towards the top layer. Let's spread in the remaining portion of the dry crumble mix. And just even them with a spoon or a spatula. So at last, it's time for baking. And then set the oven to 180 degrees Celsius and bake 20 to 30 minutes. So out of the oven, we have a crispy and crunchy crumble layer with a creamy and a fruity layer within. Cool it for a while and then demold from the tray. Our healthy version of raspberry crumble yogurt bar is ready to relish. Cut them to similar and small pieces and then enjoy as a breakfast with some favorite drink or as a snack with tea or coffee. Once you try this recipe, I'm definitely sure you're going to make it again and again. Enjoy with your loved ones and share with us your feedbacks. For healthy recipes, do check out our playlist and stay connected with us. Thank you for being with us and hope to see you in our next video.